Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, there is a price in 2021 what we can see in this particular range. Okay, after this range has moved upside, we have seen it made a high of around 6.5, and if you have remember, I have clearly told you that 6.5 is a strong resistance as well as support if the price goes above this level. Okay, and after that we have seen it has come down. Okay, and this particular thing again made a high of around, that you can see that after hitting 6.5 it made a new high of around 8.16. okay, you can say 8.231. okay, and again we have seen after making this particular high it came and give a support of 6.5, which I have already told you. Now what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can go further upside and can make a new high also. If you have any doubt regarding natural gas or any other commodities, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in natural gas and other commodities are working, plus forex and any other stocks. And link I have given in the description of my Telegram channel, you can join. See, suppose now what we can see in the next week, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 8.194. okay, and if you look at the chart from 2013, you will not see that it has hit this particular level. okay, and if it go before that, before 2010, then only we have seen that the price of natural gas has moved. Otherwise we have not seen that the price has crossed the level of 6.7. okay, and now only it has moved upside, otherwise continuously it is in this particular range. So what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 8.2. once this particular level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 8.4, and this level is already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see it can touch a level of 8.595. okay, and this level is already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see it can touch a level of 8.750, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 8.873. suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 9 also, and 9, this particular level is already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see it can go and touch a level of 9.058. okay, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 9.459. okay, and if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can move further upside. Now understand something, that if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see, if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see a support coming at around 7.5. okay, and after this particular level, what we have seen, the next support, I have already told you that a price at a level of 7.269. okay, and once this particular level didn't sustain 7.269, then we can see a probability of touching 6.5 is very high, 6.529, and 6.529 is a very strong support. So once this particular level goes below, then we can see a probability of going downside will be very high. okay, so if it goes below a level of 6.6, then we can 6.5, then we can see it can move further down. So okay, so now suppose, so what you have to understand, that once this particular 6.5 sustaining, then we can see a trend towards upside, but if it goes below this level, then we can see trend will be on the downer side. okay, again I repeat, if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of 8.194, and from there we can see a level of 8.349. once this level also sustain, then we can see it can move further upside. okay, level didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 7.547, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 7.423. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 7.238, and once this level also goes down, then we can see a level of 6.5, and if the price goes below 6.5, then we can see a downside we can see, and then will be in this particular zone. Now understand something, if you are trading risky. okay, so most of the people lose money in trading, and few things which I teach in my workshop regarding trading. okay, what I always suggest that try, if you are having a capital of $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of your capital. Okay, that is around 1000 to 1500. Okay, and risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that is around $50 to $100. Okay, so suppose if you do 5 trades, if your all these trades are wrong, you will lose maximum of $500. Okay, so next day what you can stop at this particular if your loss become $500, but what you have to do is next day what you will not be in a hurry to recover this amount. You will be focusing more on profit rather than this recovering this amount, because what people do is if they lose some amount, they try to recover on the same day, which happen that they lose their more of capital and then lose the full capital, and then next day they will not be able to trade properly. Okay, this is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend my workshop, you can mail me regarding this and we can work out of the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.